in today's edition of dog walking fashion. I'm in my pajamas still, and Coco is ready to go for a walk, so let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Weather check. It is still gloomy and rainy. The second day in a row. It's raining a lot. She hates the rain so much. Come on, almost home. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I'm proud to have made it this far. I've got my husband in the car with me. Today is Main Times 24, which is basically this 24-hour block party on Main Street in Chattanooga. And it's usually really fun. They have like tons of different local companies doing fun things and like events all over town. And my brother has a juice bar called Local Juice, and it's on Main Street, so he's doing like a special brunch today, and we're just pulling up now to eat some brunch. There's also supposed to be a big parade down Main Street like right now at 10:30, but I don't know if it's happening because it's very rainy, so we will see if that actually happens or not. But anyway, we're gonna go eat some breakfast, and I think Hallie Belle and Greg are gonna meet us here, so that will be fun. Wow, it's so vibey down here. There's so much going on. We're at the juice bar now, and Josh is just figuring out the schedule for the events today. What are you thinking, babe?
I don't know, it's a lot more than I saw online.
It's a lot of stuff going on today.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like outside. Everybody's waiting for the parade out here.
Play for the king, play for the title. I'm surprised you didn't hear it in the Bible.
Where's your spirit?
He doesn't like taking Hallie Belle to work. She taught me patience. She handles things. That's amazing. No need for searching. And all I say, thank you. Next thing I need.
Why are they so cute? Oh my gosh! I love them.
Featuring the nutcracker.
It's my Vlogmas Day 2, by the way.
Oh my gosh! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! And I think I'll miss this one this year. It's so festive in here. So festive. Oh my goodness! Wow. I like how the boys are so excited about shopping. Shopping at J. Crew. So cute. I'm gonna try on some things. This is a super cute sweater, but it's not very comfortable, and I feel like the point of a sweater is to be comfy, so I ain't got time for that. Looks like the boys got some things. I'm obsessed with these slippers. They're so cute. Just leaving Warehouse Row and J. Crew. Got the softest slippers. I got a peppermint hot chocolate. I love this feeling. I'm just feeling really happy. Josh is giving me a nice ear massage right now. It's lovely. And I've got my peppermint hot chocolate, and we're about to go into the Chattanooga Choo Choo and see the Christmas tree because it's so beautiful and Christmassy. I woke Josh up this morning singing Jingle Bells and all sorts of Christmas songs, and he loved it, didn't you?
Oh yeah, loved it.
He loved it. made the Chattanooga Choo Choo so magical and Christmassy.
Yeah.
I'm loving it. They have the ice rink already up. Look at this. Okay.
Oh no, it was in between the trees last year. I remember that.
Somebody just wiped out. They're fine. So everyone's just wiping out all over the place. It's hilarious. These people. It's raining on the ice rink, so everyone's like wiping out like crazy because it's just like soaking wet ice. But anyway, fun times. What's he doing? Hours now, just tidying up the house and doing laundry, and I've been editing, and I really want to toast some marshmallows because we have like this little mini fireplace and we have mini marshmallows, so I'm gonna do that now. But first I want to make a hot chocolate. I just heated up some almond milk and I'm making myself some hot chocolate. This is just a Whole Foods brand. It's honestly not my favorite, but it's all we have at home. I love adding this. It's a hazelnut almond milk creamer and it's very good. What are you doing?
Snowing.
Josh. Wow, that was beautiful. Josh, I don't know if you just realized what happened, but
Get slow-mo there.
my sweet husband just dropped mini marshmallows from the sky to make it look like it's snowing in my vlog.
Yeah, getting slow-mo.
I don't think that's really working.
Yeah, you can slow-mo that.
Slow-mo it?
Yeah.
You want me to slow-mo that?
Yeah.
Splash of hazelnuts. Very delicious. Hey, I don't really like marshmallows in my hot chocolate.
Oh my goodness.
I only like the little like freeze-dried ones. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some chocolate powder on top. Oh, that was a little much. We are about to toast some marshmallows, some mini marshmallows on this mini little fireplace that we have. Coco, are you pretty happy right now? Are you pretty happy right now? This dog, I'm telling you. Whew, bless you. Coco, don't fall off the couch. Cutie baby. If only I could get that much attention. This is the most Christmassy candle ever. These marshmallows are all natural and vegan, but they taste exactly like regular marshmallows. The best thing to do is twist it slowly on the edge. They look pretty burnt. They look kind of gross, honestly. Is this healthy? Cooking with burning alcohol? Rubbing alcohol, I mean?
Burning.
Whoa. What?
Delicious.
It tastes like a regular campfire marshmallow. This is dangerous. We need to get full-size marshmallows. We can do them in here too.
Yeah. What's going on, Coco? Do you want to go for your walk?
Go for a walk. Oh! Oh! She's ready! She's ready for the walk! She's jumping out into the
You ready to go for your walk? You ready?
A walk?
Come on.
A walk? What's on this couch? I don't think you can jump on that couch.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing?
You're crazy. You're crazy. You're gonna wear yourself out before we get outside.
Come on, let's go. What are you doing, crazy nut?
She's hilarious. What are you doing?
You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, goodness. Goodbye, you two. Have a great walk. Josh, you look so cozy and cute. Bye.
Bye. Our baby just did the 4-finger snap. No one else in the world can do that. Anyway, we are going downtown to Chattanooga. Main Times 24 is still happening. Basically, Main Street is a big main street in Chattanooga. It's actually called Main Street.
I already explained everything about Main Times 24.
She explained everything. No need for me. We're going down there to hang out with some friends and see what's happening tonight. see what's going on. There's a lot of live music going on. Sophie wants to go to bed. This won't happen for a little while.
Cold and rainy and miserable, and I want to go edit my vlog and go to bed.
Edit that out. Anyway, some cool things going on tonight. It's always a good day for the city. And we're moving down to Florida, so making the most of it.
We are on our way to go see Halle Bell and Greg again. We are going to meet them at this place called Wildflower Tea Shop, and apparently they're doing a little party there tonight. So we're going to go check that out and see what it's like. But I honestly am so exhausted and do not really want to be out, if I'm being honest. But it's main times 24 and it's usually a good time, and we told our friends that we'd come out with them tonight. So here I am out on the town. I think I'm just really exhausted because I didn't go to sleep until 2:30 last night, which I never do. Oh, I passed our turn. Great. Anyway, I didn't get much sleep last night and I'm feeling very moody right now. But hopefully that will change soon. Got hot apple ciders at the Hot Chocolatier. So good. Actually, I haven't tasted it yet because it's flaming hot. It's really, really hot. Halle Bell cheering all the kids on. You got it, girl. Michelle Kwan in the making. Oh my god. Yes. Yes.
Okay, they just said that.
Work. Give it all you got. Oh my gosh. What? Woo! That was amazing. Literally just been heckling all the ice skaters for like 20 minutes now. These poor people. I hope they're a couple in real life. Exhausted, but we ended up having a really fun night, but we did stay out way too late and I can barely keep my eyes open to finish the vlog. But thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 2. I'm so happy that I am doing Vlogmas. I truly am. It's a lot of work, but it's so nice to be capturing memories. It just feels right. So anyway, I thank you so much for watching, and I'm definitely gonna sleep in tomorrow. And then we have a lot of work to do because we've got to start packing up and getting ready to go to Florida. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye.